Hey everyone, it's Country Peddler. I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but it's April 10th and it's warming up. I got half the garden in. I'll show some videos, some clips of what's been going on. The trees got their blooms on, and the bees are out, and I'm starting to go to auctions. As you guys know, part of my name for my channel is Peddler, and one of the things I like to do is hit garage sales and auctions, and I buy old tools and other items as well, and every year I have a big barn sale, and I sell some stuff from these things, the things I don't want to keep for myself or fix up. And you know, of course 4-H is about ready to start up with the livestock, so this week we'll probably get the goats in for the kids. So we're busy getting that. Got the camper out of the barn, got some space again in the barn for all that stuff. But I took some footage. The reason why I wanted to get this out ASAP, not only to keep you guys kind of posted what's been going on here in Ohio with me, but also I went to an auction, state auction yesterday, and I went for some small items because I do have an Etsy shop, and as I sell some stuff on eBay as well, and sometimes it's some tools, but mostly I like toys and small collectibles and stuff like that, advertising stuff, just something to pay for my hobbies. And anyway, one of the things I like, because I know them, is Matchboxes, Hot Wheels, that type of stuff. And at this estate sale, they had a lot of Transformers, characters more from the 90's, you know, Power Rangers, you know, stuff I don't know too much about, but they had a lot of it. And holy cow, these guys, there's probably 4 or 5, I think, toy dealers, and they're younger than me, so they know these toys and they know what they're worth, and they resell them as well. And they might collect them too, but I just could not believe what these boxes of toys were going for. And anyway, I got some clips of that auction I want to share with you guys, just to give you an idea before you throw your kids' toys or toys away from your attics and stuff. You might want to look at some of these prices people are paying right now for these toys. So anyway, that will be in this video as well. Some of the clips of the auction. I hope you like it. Let me know if you have any comments about the toys and the fads and what the money people are spending on this. I think it's interesting. It's kind of like the Hot Wheels. People are very passionate about what they grew up with, I think, especially now with the COVID stuff. So anyway, enjoy the video. Throw some comments in there, but it's crazy stuff. I also threw in some clips, like I said, of the garden, some of the things going around here, what's growing, what's starting up. And I'll give you a couple of photos of clips of what I bought and what I've got going on in the shop. And hopefully I'll make some videos of doing some cleanups and stuff like that. But you know me, I like a lot of the tools, the bigger stuff as well, to sell at my barn sale. Anyway, if you have any comments, trying to think what else is new, but right now that's it. I'll do some updates of some equipment that I evaluated or bought last year, just to let you know how it's going, what I've done to them, and stuff like that as well. I hope everyone's doing well. You know, I wish I could make more videos all the time, but it's hard for me to get the camera set up and do a quality video with stuff in it, because it's things I need to do. Sometimes the time isn't there to get it all done, so I just have to go without filming it, or recording it. So anyway, hope everyone's doing well. Drop a note in, and hopefully this spring and summer I get some more videos out. And if there's anything particular, I know there's a lot of guys out there that love the BB gun, pellet gun stuff. I got some thank yous to send out to some guys that sent me parts and really information and stuff like that to help me with my guns, and I just haven't had time to sit down and do it, but I got to. And just I love BB guns and the older stuff, but it's one of those things where if you take it apart, you don't want to wait too long to put it back together, even though I do maybe film it or record it. It's just, well, I don't like to have stuff laying around, especially with kids in the house and stuff, because, you know, springs come up missing and parts and stuff. So anyway, my point is, when I get some quiet time and space, then I'll dig into those guns again and try to fix the ones I couldn't get done the last time. And we're talking about the 760 pump gun, Crossman. The older ones, it's kind of hard to find parts for and stuff. But yeah, I got some information from the other guys out there in YouTube land to help me out. So anyway, guys, put in a note, and like to hear from you, and hopefully you guys liked some of the auction video. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye. I got these items at the sale yesterday. Actually, this one was $6. So, pick that up. This, I know, isn't that wicked? I don't see I've seen them before, but not at sales. And I mean, this thing's like brand new. I got this, I think, paid around $8 or $8 to $10. But since it's so in good condition, and I thought, you know, I got some bigger weeds and issues in the woods I can take care of, or, you know, you never know. Maybe might have to use it on some zombie or something. I don't know. But that's pretty funny. And then, of course, my favorite, I found another type of post hole digger. This one you can adjust the size on. I've never seen one like that. And I hate to say this, but I only paid $12 for this, and it's like new. So yeah, that was a good purchase there. So that's some items I got, and I got some neat things that I clean up. That's a neat old toolbox. And if anyone knows what this is, the country boys will know, probably the older guys. But you tell me what that is, and then in the next video I'll see who's right and who's wrong. But the antique guys will probably know what that is. But neighbor actually gave me those because he didn't want them anymore. And he knew I'd probably fix them up. But oh yeah, my death pile here is getting bigger and bigger. I picked that up at a garage sale. That's a Kennedy machinist box, and it was full. And I hate to tell you guys this, I only paid $35 for that, and I got some really nice stuff out of there. But yeah, I got a lot of tools to clean up, and I got some in here even, and some really cool stuff that I need to make handles for. That's the stuff that came out of the machinist box, but I got more stuff, Starrett stuff that's not there, that I'm actually selling some of it, of the stuff. Believe it or not, I picked up that stereo at the auction for $1. It's only a Sears, but I like stereo systems, and I got some records I want to play against. So anyway, the barn's getting cleared out and ready to do some work in it. So, but anyway, take care, guys.
10 on that box. I get 10, 10, I get 10, 15, 20, $20, now 5, now 30, and 5, yes. Now 40. I get 35 here, now 40. Yep. I get 40, now, where you at? 40, 45, 50, $50, 55. Yes. Now 55 there, now 60. $60. Doug's in at 55, 60. Yes. Now 5, 65, yep. Now 70. Yeah. Now 5, 75. Sold it to you.
581.
Five, got a box right there. Give 10. I get 10, yep. I get 10, 15, 20, 5, 30, 30, now 40. $40 on there. I get 30, 40, I give 35. I get 30, 35, now 40, now 5. I get 40, 45. Anybody else? Sold it $40 too late. I'm sorry. 5, 7, 7.
Castle Grayskull.
All right, got the deal right there. What is it?
Castle Grayskull.
Anyway, there it is. Get 5. Get $5 on 5. 7.5. I get 5 to get 7.5. Anybody? Yeah. I get 5, 7.5, 10, 12.5, 15, 17.5, 15, 17.5. Anybody else? $15 right there. 5, 7, 7. 40 out of 40. Now 5. 45, 45 back there. Now 50. Anybody else 50? So take $45 back there. You got a whole box right there. Get 20 on that box. I get 20 on the out there. 20. Anybody? Get $5. Let's go. 5, 10. I get 10, 15. I get 10, 15 down right there.
Yes.
I get 15, 20. Now 5. I get 20, 25 on that. I get 20, 25. I get 25. 20 is the bid right here. Need 25. Anybody? Sold it to you. $20 right here.
5, 5, 2.
5. You get it?
Kids are going.
Got a box right there. Anywhere you go, get 10 on that box. I get 10, 15, 20, $20, 25. Now 30, now 5, 35. I get 30, 35, 40. Now 5. I get 40, 45, 45. Now 50. I get $50 on it. 45 is the bid. I need 50. Now 5. Now 60. Sold to you $55 right there. 581. That box.
It sure is.
Get 20, let's go. Get 10. $10 on that box. Somebody get $5. Now 10. I get 5, 10. Somebody get 7.50. I get 5, I get 7.5. Sold to you $5. Back here, what's that number? Got it, Jenny? I got a Batman car, isn't it?
Pretty bad.
Looks like it. Somebody get 10 on that. Now 15. I get 10.